Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Xiaomi A Pro TV to factory defaults through the recovery mode. To do that, we have to first of all make sure that all the devices like USB flash drives and external consoles, etc., are disconnected from the TV. Once they are, what we have to do is unplug the TV from the power source. After you do that, you have to start holding down the home button, no, not the home button, but the OK button and the back or return button at the same time. Keep holding them like this all the time, and in the meantime you have to reconnect your TV to the reconnect the TV cord to the power supply, and keep holding both of these buttons together until you see the recovery menu on your screen. Okay, once you see the recovery menu, in order to perform a factory reset operation on your TV, you're gonna have to scroll down to wipe data / factory reset option. To do that, we have to navigate down, we have to short press the power button several times until you reach wipe data / factory reset option, and then hold down the power button to select this option. After that, short press the power button once again to highlight factory data reset, and then hold down the power button to confirm. Okay, right now we have to restart the TV by holding down the power button once again to select Reboot System Now option. And after that, just wait until your TV is restarted. Once it restarts, the factory reset operation will be finished. And at this point, the factory reset operation is finished. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.